North Attleboro Community Television, North TV Sports presents the high school game of the week. Today from the Pickering Gymnasium at NAHS, it's the Red Rocketeers playing host to the Black Knights of Stoughton. It's a Hockomock League Davenport Division battle for the top. Welcome everyone, Peter Gay along with Del Malloy. The practice balls have been put away. It's time for this one to get started. And Del Malloy, two teams that should provide some great volleyball.
Yeah, the last time they met, it went to 5 games, and you look at North Attleboro with a 12-1 record, and Stoughton's not far behind at 11-2. I think we're in for an exciting afternoon.
Red Rocketeers, of course, their home whites with red numerals, black outline. There's a shot of their uniforms, the black shorts. Stoughton is all in black with white numbers and trim with a little orange coming down the shoulder and sleeve. Red Rocketeers with the serve to start this one. Barely getting it over the net was Amelia Murphy. She's one of the seniors, and there's quite a few of them on this North Attleboro roster. First point of the night will be recorded by Val Whalen. You'll watch Whalen here. She just misdirects that just a little. Found the open spot.
I'll tell you, the coach, Erica Batchelder, for Stoughton, has scouted North and scouted all of her opponents a number of times and has a good idea of the formations they're going to use and gives that information to her players.
So you can actually scout volleyball.
Yeah.
There's a kill for the Red Rocketeers, and we are tied up at 1. We'll see. The point by Tori Melanson. Another senior. Serving, Leah Marceau, one of the senior co-captains. And that one out, and there was a case where the libero, Mia Bennett and Molly Turner, did not do a good job communicating.
Right.
And out of fairness to Bennett, she was in position to play that, and it was Turner who came up into her space.
Yeah.
Good serve by Marceau. Nice job by the Black Knights to get it back. Tied up at 2. Block up front.
Nice net play, a good block. Double team block here, but only one got the handle on the ball.
I should note that Dell and I are screened. We cannot see a good portion of the court because, and I don't know how this became a custom. I'm sure it was many, many years ago. The players who are not on or in the game do not sit on the bench. They stand, and Jeff Carr has a shot of them. We'll see coming up. Red Rocketeers on top 3-2 as that one went wide. Yep, there's where they are, and we are looking at the back of number 9, who is down on the end. Red Rocketeers, nice set. Can they get the point? Block up front. Anna Caristi. Perfect position, just waited for that one. Black Knights did not have a chance.
No, Molly Turner saved it initially, but there was no one else in position to hit it for the Black Knights.
4-2 Red Rocketeers on top. Block up front, that does not count as one of the 3 hits. Pushed to the back row by Kezia De La Cruz, and the point will go to Stoughton, 4-3. Checking into the game for the Black Knights, Jordan Motley checking out Mia Bennett.
Isn't it fitting that Val Whalen, who scored the ace there, now serves?
It's like baseball when you make a great defensive play. You come up to the plate.
Yep.
It happens 1 out of every 9 times, but it seems
Right.
like it happens much more. Tied up at 4. Many times throughout the course of the fall season, we'll have games at 25-12, 25-14. Don't expect many of those. We also many times have matches that end up in 3-0 sweeps.
Yeah.
Don't expect that this afternoon or early evening.
Yeah, and that last point, Vicky Ramos, number 7, hit the ball way above her waist, and someone should have told her to let it go because it would have landed out of bounds.
It's about the only thing we can see. Nice attempt at the dig, but once again, perfectly placed by the Black Knights. Sometimes there's just a little dink when you're expecting the big overhand smash.
You know, Peter, especially in a game like this, 2 powerful teams, the dink is a very good weapon.
You won't see many of those in this game. Amelia Murphy
Nope.
with the bad serve. Del, this is one of those games that, had it been years ago in the scoring system they had where you could only score a point on your serve, we'd be here for 5 hours.
Yeah, you would be. I remember one year when I was at Wheaton College, we had a tri-match on a weeknight. It started at 6. It ended at 11:30.
Oh my!
It was our last weeknight tri-match.
I bet. Were you at home?
We were at home, and the poor teams that were not at home got home quite late on a school night.
Red Rocketeers on a mini run right here. It had been 5-5. Stoughton attempting the block, but difficult to keep it in play. Boy, nice dig there by the Red Rocketeers. That one might have been out.
Yeah. But I don't hear anyone from Stoughton yelling out to their teammates who are playing the ball. Assist to the North Attleboro roof.
Nine 5. Nice job serving by Katie DeMontney. Oh, bullet to the back row, 10-5.
Yeah, North seems to be in command right here. And volleyball's a game of momentum. They need to keep it going a few more points so they can withstand the charge Stoughton will inevitably put on them.
Give the kill to Jordan Motley. So Motley and crew make it 10-6. And serving for the Black Knights, Makia Simpson. She's only a sophomore.
Yep.
2 sophomores. Sasha Hyacinth is the other sophomore. 4 juniors, Molly Turner, Hannah Holden, Delaney Nagel, and Mia Bennett. Nice block up front, 10-7.
It looked like a combo block there with Molly Turner and Vicky Ramos.
The jump serve by Simpson. And Del, you were talking about that charge. Here they come.
Yeah, volleyball is a game of momentum. You put a 3-4 point run on, it's not safe.
Sometimes you're good, sometimes you're lucky, and that time Simpson was lucky.
Yeah, and sometimes you're yucky.
And you could see the net, just how much play there is there.
Yeah.
Should there be that much play?
Yeah. Yeah, the key is the net straight across the top, and this looks pretty straight.
10-10. 5 straight points for the Black Knights after North Attleboro had scored 5 straight points. And that run ends at 5.
Yep.
Boy, Dell, look how well this was placed by, I believe it was Amelia Murphy.
Yeah, could not have put it in a better place.
This the Red Rocketeers, I believe, last home game. It was senior night. It is senior night, and before the game, the girls were introduced. Their parents met them on the floor, presented with flowers.
Yep. It's a nice tradition. The seniors look forward to it.
Oh, a rare miss hit by Tori Melanson.
And I tried to change it up. Instead of digging it to a teammate, she tried to just get it back over. Too close to the net.
So 12-12. Dell, I'll be surprised if we don't have one game that at least goes to 26 points.
You know, you're probably going to be right.
$13-12.
Hey, Vicky Ramos is coming through. Just before she came out for a break, she had a miss hit, but since then she's reeled off about 4 good plays in a row. She gets up pretty high for her size too.
What a point.
I'll say. Both teams had outstanding moments in that point.
$14-14 off the head of Jeff Carr.
Haley Stone found that quite amusing.
A great dig.
Boy, this is a very intense match. Neither team's giving any ground.
Block Red Rocketeers, 15-14.
Yeah, Mikia Simpson for Stoke just couldn't get up high enough to get it over the block.
They do not list height, the heights of the players, but Simpson was giving up quite a few inches trying to get it over the wall. 4 hits. The referee, who was right on top of that play, deemed it was not a block it went into the net. Boy, from that angle, it was tough to tell.
Yeah.
No argument from the Red Rocketeers, however.
No. You very rarely see arguments in volleyball.
16-15. That's the second time the Red Rocketeers have found the near sideline. Kezia De La Cruz, senior outside hitter.
What a difference she's made for North Attleboro this year.
Stoughton somehow got that one over.
Yeah, got away with maybe an illegal hit too.
Yeah, I thought so. (16-16). Remember last night when we were televising Diamond Vote and Tri-County? Not to take away from Tri-County, I mentioned the lack of movement on the floor.
Yeah.
Stoughton that time, all 6 players were moving.
Yeah, that's
Without
not the
the
case
ball.
in today's match, is it?
Just out. So Stoughton with a rare 2-point lead.
Just watch the Stone coach for a while. She is so engaged in this game.
And a miss hit on the serve by Hannah Holden.
Yeah. She goes out on the court between points and high fives her players. Look at her. She really keeps them loose.
That's going to be long and out.
Yeah. Number 3, Val Whalen for Stoughton. A real nice ace from the back row. You don't usually, not ace, but point from the back row. You don't usually see the hits come that hard from the back row in the high school game.
19-17. This is a big point. And make it 20-17. And Jeff Krenz thinking timeout, and that's what exactly he will do.
Yeah, good call. You can't let this get too far away from you.
And unfortunately for the Red Rocketeers, the timing is not very good because Makia Simpson is at the service line.
Look at how loose the huddle is for Stoughton. I like to see that. I mean, they're all in this. They're relaxed. They're ready to get out there and play again.
North Attleboro looks relaxed.
They do.
Jeff Krenz looks very relaxed, very matter of fact.
They're too far away. I can't see them.
Good job by the Red Rocketeers getting that one back. There's the little dink resulting in the point. Nice play by Vicky Ramos.
Yeah. I think we're going to say her name a lot this afternoon.
(22-17).
Yeah. Nice attack by who? Vicky Ramos.
And you can tell Makia Simpson is enjoying her serve.
She sure is.
I tell you, if you're Stoughton, in this case Molly Turner, and you are looking at Amelia Murphy and Leah Marceau on the other side of that net with their arms raised, don't try to get it through them.
No. And that's why I think you've seen Stoughton go into the dink quite often, just trying to get it over the top of them.
The Red Rocketeers have their libero, Tatiana Sotelo, serving. North was down by 5. They got the point on the block when it was Stoughton's serve. Then Sotelo, the service point, but Stoughton comes right back.
Yep.
(23-20), but little room for error. And it will be up to Amelia Murphy. Realistically, needs at least 2 points off of this serve.
Yes.
Very unfortunate were the Black Knights there, but at the same time, they have to anticipate that. They all just stood there.
Yeah, they were all looking to number 11, Hannah Holden, to see where she was going to set it, and the ball never got to Hannah.
There's a dink that will result in a North Attleboro point, and there's those 2 points we talked about, Dell.
Yep.
Now if you can add another, you're tied up at 23, and then we're in a situation where the team that first leads by 2 wins the match. The next point is a huge one.
Yes.
Wow.
That was outstanding.
So Stoughton serving for the game, 24-22.
And on that sequence, they deserved that point. But again, nobody told the libero that ball was out after it went out. They got to think about that.
Black Knights take game 1, 25-22. And give the kill to Val Whalen. So the Red Rocketeers, if they are going to come away with a victory, will need at least 4 games. We'll be back with game 2 after this. Off the Ground Drone Services is proud to support quality local programming on North TV. Providing high-quality HD aerial photography and drone solutions in southeastern Massachusetts and Rhode Island, Off the Ground will give your next photography or videography project a unique perspective. Whether it's advertising and promotion, insurance assessments, commercial and residential real estate, or construction site inspections, off-the-ground drone services with high-quality HD aerial photography gives you the edge.
If you're interested in local government and want to know more about how it operates here in the town of North Attleboro, then North TV's government channel is what you need to watch. North TV televises all meetings of all the town boards, committees, and councils. That's North TV's government channel, Comcast Channel 98, and Verizon Channel 23. North TV, bringing the community and town government into your home.
The Branches of North Attleboro is proud to support quality local programming on North TV. I am Kelly Arno. I'm the Executive Director of the newest community being built in North Attleboro by Benchmark Senior Living. We have just opened our model and we would love for you to stop by and take a little tour to see what we're offering. Thank you.
We are there, day one, with baby names and a gift that lasts a lifetime. We are there as you grow, protecting you and those you love. And we are there as you start your next chapter. We are with you through life's journey. We are Social Security, securing today and tomorrow. Get to know us at socialsecurity.gov.
This video produced.
We are ready for Game 2. Red Rocketeers losing the first 25-22. Del, that was probably the best volleyball we've seen in the years we've been doing this.
I couldn't disagree with you. We saw attacks, we saw dinks, we saw great saves and recoveries, and I think pretty consistent serving. And we didn't have one call for an illegal hit.
You're right. That's a good point.
Well, now we got more trouble because they're not even standing in front of their bench.
Yeah, they just chose to stand right in front of us. Now on the floor for the Red Rocketeers, number 14, Caroline Vigorito. Last we saw of her was during the King Philip match, and she was on the bench, and I believe on crutches, I do believe.
Yeah.
According to her uncle, the infamous Mickey